All right, the graphing retest review. So remember, when I graph, it has to be in y equals, and then we have to understand our inequalities. Remember, the better you plan it out, the more beneficial it is for you. So this one says f of x equals negative 2 over 3x plus 4. So our y-intercept is a positive 4. Our slope is a negative 2 over 3, so this means I'm going to fall 2 and run 3. So I plot the y-intercept first, and then I fall 2 and run 3 until I run out of room. Okay, because it's equal to, I draw a line through all my points. And my solutions are all points on the line. So in this case, it would be like negative 3, 6, 0, 4, 2, 3, and then 6, 0. So I got all of these ordered pairs by every single point that falls on the line as a solution, because that's what that is. So this second one here, there's a little bit of a typo. This x should be a y. Okay, so that's my fault. All right, but I cannot graph it unless it's in y equals. So I have to make it into y equals. So I'm going to add 3x. I'm left with a positive 5y equals negative 15 plus 3x. And then I divide by 5. So y equals negative 15 divided by 5 is a negative 3. 3 divided by 5 is a positive 3 over 5x. So then our slope is 3 over 5. And because it's positive, I'm going to rise 3. And then our y-intercept, our starting point, is negative 3. So I start at negative 3 on the y-axis. And I'm going to rise 3 and run 5. I can't go any more that way, so I'm going to go back to the y-intercept. Go down 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go backwards 5 units. Because it's y equals, we just draw the line, and all the solution is all points on the line. Okay, so in this case, it'd be negative 5, negative 6, because that's this ordered pair. 0, negative 3, and then 5, 0. Okay. All right, and then we have our inequalities, okay? So this one's already in y equals, so let's go ahead and plan it out. So our y-intercept is a negative 1. All right, our slope is negative 2 over 1. Okay, because that's, remember, that's the number that's with x. It is going to be a dotted line. Remember, if my inequality does not have an equal to sign, it's dotted. And then I'm going to shade below the line, because this inequality looks like my left hand when I hold up L's. So I start at negative 1. Because it's a negative 2 slope, I'm going to fall 2 and run 1 until I run out of room. All right, once I'm done plotting my points, then I go ahead and shade the line that I need. So this is going to be a dotted line because it's not equal to. And then because I shade below, I shade the side that's underneath the y-intercept. So in this case, my solutions are just points that are in the shaded region only. So any point that you say, any point in shaded region only. So in this case, it could be negative 2, negative 1, 0, negative 4, 1, negative 6. So all of these points here that I'm drawing are all in the shaded region, okay? All right. So that means those are some options that you could have chosen for some solutions. All right, and last but not least, we have this question right here, but it's not in y equals, so I have to convert it to y equals. So remember, we do that by moving x to the other side. So in this case, I'm going to subtract 6x, but I can't physically subtract them. Make sure you bring down this negative 4y is less than or equal to 16 minus 6x. And then I divide by a negative. So remember, when you divide by a negative, the sign will flip. So now what you actually have is y is greater than or equal to 16 divided by negative 4 is a negative 4. Negative 6 divided by negative 4 is a positive 3 over 2x. So let's plan it out. So our y-intercept is a negative 4. Our slope is a 3 over 2, so I'm going to rise 3, run 2. This is going to be a solid line, and I'm going to shade above. So remember, when you're determining which side you shade, go to the ending equation after you solve for y. Okay? So I'm going to hurry up because the bell's rung. But I'm going to go to negative 4. I'm going to rise 3, run 2. I'm going to connect my points because it should be solid. And I'm shading the side that is above the y-intercept. And your solution, although I'm not writing it down, your solution are any points that fall on the line or in the shaded region. So any point on the line is a solution as well. So on line and shaded is a solution. Okay. Bye, guys.